Why do we make the choices we do with money? Is it just about math and numbers, or is it something deeper? We often find ourselves caught in a cycle of comparison, chasing a version of success that feels increasingly out of reach. The truth is, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. Alex represents many of us, buying things he doesn't need to impress people he doesn't even like. While his social status seems to rise, the numbers in his bank account tell a much more stressful story. Lesson 1. No one is crazy. We all view money through the lens of our unique experiences and the era we grew up in. Luck and risk are siblings. They are the invisible forces that influence our financial outcomes more than we care to admit. The hardest financial skill is getting the goalpost to stop moving. Happiness is just results minus expectations. Compound interest is like a seedling. It doesn't look like much at first, but with enough time, it becomes something unstoppable. Getting wealthy requires taking risks, but staying wealthy requires the opposite: humility and a touch of paranoia. In investing, you can be wrong half the time and still make a fortune. It's the outliers, the tails, that drive everything. True wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, "I can do whatever I want today." When you see someone driving a $100,000 car, you rarely look at the driver. You only imagine yourself in that car. Wealth is the cars not purchased and the diamonds not bought. It is the financial assets that haven't been converted into stuff. Saving money doesn't require a specific reason. You should save just for the sake of saving, providing yourself a margin of safety. Don't aim to be cold-bloodedly rational, aim to be just reasonable. It's easier to stick with a plan that lets you sleep at night, except that you will change. Your goals at 20 won't be your goals at 40. Build a flexible financial life. Alex finally realizes that financial peace isn't about having the most. It's about having enough to control his own time. He chooses to spend his weekends making memories with his family, rather than working overtime to buy things he doesn't need. The psychology of money reminds us that wealth is a mindset. Mastering your behavior is the ultimate investment. Start your journey toward a better financial mindset today. Check the pinned comment for more insights. Thank you for watching. Remember, the way you think about money changes everything.